Leading with clarity, communication is key. It's the foundation upon which successful leadership is built. Without clear communication, even the best strategies can fall apart. Imagine trying to navigate a ship through a storm without a compass. That's what leading without effective communication feels like. Leadership is about guiding people, setting a vision, and ensuring everyone understands their role in achieving it. When leaders communicate effectively, they create an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Change is inevitable in any organization, and how it's communicated can make or break the transition. Clear communication helps teams adapt more quickly and efficiently, reducing resistance and fostering a culture of agility. Leaders must inspire and motivate. But how? By sharing their vision in a way that resonates with their team, by being transparent about challenges and celebrating successes, and by listening as much as they speak. Effective communication is the bridge that connects ideas to action and people to purpose. It's not just about talking, but ensuring the message is understood and embraced. When communication flows freely, trust is built, and collaboration becomes second nature. Teams become more cohesive, moving towards common goals with a shared understanding. Without it, confusion reigns. Misunderstandings can lead to mistakes, missed opportunities, and frustration. Clear communication prevents these pitfalls and keeps the team aligned. Think of a sports team before a game. The coach gathers the players, outlines the strategy, and ensures everyone knows their role. This preparation is crucial for success. When each player understands their role and how it contributes to the team's victory, efficiency is maximized. Whether in sports or business, clear communication is the key to achieving goals and celebrating success together. It unites teams, drives performance, and ultimately leads to triumph. Data and facts are important, but they often lack a human touch. This is where storytelling comes in. Stories have power. They connect us on an emotional level, creating empathy and understanding. We remember stories. Imagine a leader presenting dry financial data. Now picture them sharing a story about a customer impacted by their work. Which is more compelling? Complex ideas can be overwhelming, but stories simplify them, breaking down barriers to understanding. A leader wanting to implement a new strategy might deliver a long presentation, or instead, they could share a story that illustrates the why and how. When people grasp the concept quickly, stories make information relatable, provide context, and help the audience connect with the message on a deeper level. Persuasion is essential for leaders, whether rallying a team or influencing stakeholders. Stories are powerful tools. A leader wanting to inspire a team to embrace a challenging project might share a story of overcoming adversity. This resonates with the team, igniting their motivation. Stories make messages memorable, creating a lasting impact, which is key to persuasion. Shared stories, shared purpose, teams thrive on unity. Shared stories foster a sense of belonging and purpose. They create a common narrative. Think of company folklore, stories of successes, challenges, and shared values. These stories bond employees and reinforce a shared identity. Leaders should encourage storytelling within their teams. This builds camaraderie and also uncovers valuable insights and perspectives. Many great leaders throughout history have mastered the art of storytelling. They understood that stories are not just a way to entertain, but a powerful tool to convey messages, values, and visions. Through storytelling, they connected with people on a deeper emotional level, making their messages more memorable and impactful. They used it to inspire, motivate, and lead, weaving narratives that resonated with their audiences. These leaders were able to galvanize support, foster unity, and drive change. Their stories often reflected the struggles, hopes, and dreams of the people they led, creating a shared sense of purpose and direction. Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream" speech is a prime example. Delivered during the March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom in 1963, this speech is one of the most iconic moments in American history. King's eloquent words painted a vivid picture of a future where racial equality and justice prevailed. He spoke of a dream where his children would be judged not by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. This powerful imagery resonated deeply with millions of people, giving them hope and a clear vision to strive toward. It became a rallying cry for the civil rights movement, inspiring countless individuals to join the fight for equality and justice. It demonstrated how a well-crafted story could mobilize people and create lasting change. Oprah Winfrey, a master storyteller, connects with audiences through personal anecdotes. Her ability to share her own experiences and struggles in a relatable way has endeared her to millions. By opening up about her life, she creates a bond with her audience, making them feel understood and valued. These stories create a sense of intimacy and trust. Oprah's storytelling goes beyond mere entertainment. It serves as a source of inspiration and empowerment. Her stories often carry messages of resilience, hope, and the importance of self-belief, encouraging people to overcome their own challenges and pursue their dreams. Elevate your leadership. In this section, we will explore how the art of storytelling can transform your leadership approach. Storytelling is not just about sharing tales, it's about connecting with your audience on a deeper level, inspiring them, and driving them toward a common goal. Incorporate storytelling into your leadership. Share your vision. When you communicate your vision through stories, you make it more relatable and memorable. Your team is more likely to understand and commit to your vision when they can see themselves in the narrative. Connect with your team on a human level. Simplify complex ideas. By breaking down intricate concepts into simple, engaging stories, you make them accessible to everyone. This fosters a sense of inclusion and understanding within your team. Start by identifying stories that resonate with you. Reflect on your personal and professional experiences. Think about the moments that have defined your journey and the lessons you've learned along the way. What experiences have shaped your leadership style? Consider the challenges you've faced, the successes you've achieved, and the people who have influenced you. These stories are powerful tools that can illustrate your values and principles. What stories illustrate your values? Share anecdotes that highlight your core beliefs and the standards you uphold. These stories can serve as a guide for your team, helping them understand what you stand for and what you expect from them. Remember, storytelling is a skill. Like any other skill, it requires practice and dedication. The more you practice, the more natural and effective your storytelling will become. Take the time to refine your stories, practice your delivery, and seek feedback from others. This will help you become a more confident and compelling storyteller. Embrace the power of storytelling. Use it to captivate your audience, convey your message, and inspire action. A well-told story can leave a lasting impact and drive your team toward success. Become a more effective and inspiring leader. By mastering the art of storytelling, you can elevate your leadership, foster a stronger connection with your team, and lead them to achieve great things together.